Nobody told you this. The person who will out-earn you in 5 years isn't smarter than you. They're not from a richer family. They don't have more hours in the day. They just made one decision earlier than you did. And I'm about to show you exactly what that decision is. Right now, 7 skills are quietly making ordinary people financially untouchable. Not because they're rare, because most people hear about them, nod, and do nothing. You're not going to do that. Because by the end of this video, you're going to pick one. And I'm going to tell you exactly how to start today, not someday. Let's go. AI automation and prompt engineering. Here's the uncomfortable truth. 2 people can use the same AI tool. One gets mediocre output. The other gets work that looks like it took a team of 10. The difference? How they prompt. Prompt engineering is not a tech skill. It's a communication skill. The ability to think so clearly about what you want that a machine can execute it perfectly. And right now, companies are paying between $100 and $300 an hour for people who can do this well. A single well-built AI workflow can replace 20 hours of manual work per week. That's not the future. That's already happening. Coding. In 2011, Marc Andreessen said software is eating the world. He was right. But here's what he didn't say. The people who know how to write software get to eat first. Coding is not about memorizing syntax. It's about learning to think in systems as you breaking a problem into steps a machine can follow. Once you think that way, you can build apps, tools, automations that make money while you sleep. You don't need a degree. You need 90 focused days and the right roadmap. People have gone from 0 to their first freelance client in less time than that. Data analytics. Every company you've ever heard of is drowning in data and desperate for someone who can make sense of it. Think about what that means. You look at a spreadsheet and you see a problem the CEO didn't know existed. You find a leak in their marketing spend, saving them $200,000. You predict which customers are about to leave before it happens. That's not just a job, that's power. Data analytics roles pay an average of $90,000 to $130,000 annually, and they're hiring. The skill is learnable in months. The payoff lasts a career. Copywriting. The most important sentence you'll ever write isn't in your resume. It's the one that makes a stranger stop scrolling and feel something. Copywriting is the science of that sentence. It's understanding that people don't buy products. They buy relief from a problem, or a version of themselves they want to become. A single email sequence, written by a skilled copywriter, can generate tens of thousands in revenue for a business. Companies know this. That's why they pay $5,000, $10,000, sometimes more for a single piece of copy. Words are leverage. Most people just don't know how to pull the lever. Video editing. Somewhere right now, a creator with 2 million subscribers is losing sleep because their editor just quit. Their next video goes up in 48 hours. They need someone fast. They need someone good, and they will pay whatever it takes. That person could be you. Video editing is not cutting clips. It's pacing. It's emotion. It's the 3-second decision that makes someone stay or leave. And creators, brands, and agencies are hiring editors faster than the market can supply them. Build a portfolio of 5 strong pieces. That portfolio will do more for your income than 4 years of college ever could. Content creation. There is a 19-year-old somewhere in the world who makes more money than your doctor, not because they're smarter, because they figured out one thing. Attention is the new real estate. Content creation is the skill of earning attention and then doing something with it. Turning ideas into trust, trust into an audience into income. This isn't just about going viral. It's about understanding what makes people feel seen, feel inspired, feel like they finally found someone who gets it. When you master that, you don't chase opportunities. You become one. Sales. If you could only pick one skill to guarantee you never go broke, it's this one. Because sales is not convincing people to want things they don't need. Sales is finding people who already have a problem and helping them see that you have the solution. That's it. And every single business on earth needs someone who can do that. Top salespeople don't just earn a salary. They earn commission, uncapped, which means there is no ceiling on what you can make. Learn to sell. Sell yourself, sell ideas, sell products, and no economy, no recession, no algorithm will ever have power over your income.